A lot of you guys asked me to do a video about a niche that anyone can do without spending a single dollar on paid tools. Well, I just found one, and you are gonna learn exactly how to start a channel from scratch in this niche. But you have to follow the steps that I'm gonna show you exactly as it is. If not, you will end up in a situation like this. This channel has 340,000 subscribers with just 9 videos. And I know what you're thinking. Is it even possible to get this amount of subscribers with just 9 videos? Well, it's possible, because in this channel, 4 videos out of 9 have more than 1.5 million views. And here's another channel, which is doing exactly the same, and gained 195,000 subscribers. I think these 2 channels are enough proof to convince you guys that this niche is working. So the question is, how can you start this today? This niche is about how to become a better version of yourself. And it's about life hacks to be an unstoppable person. So it's easy. And the animation style that they are using is this stick figure style, which is also super easy. So first of all, you need a channel. Don't just create a fresh channel. If you have an old channel that you created, we can use it by changing its name. Now, if you don't have such an account, well, you're gonna have to wait for some time, like 2 weeks. So create a new account and warm it up for at least 2 weeks. Then start to upload videos. For those who don't know what warming up is, you just need to act as a real person on YouTube. So watch some videos, comment, and engage with other audiences with your new account. By doing this, we are showing YouTube's algorithm that we are not a bot. So the reason why we do this is that we want to avoid a shadow ban. You can start it by commenting on this video. Just let each other know where you guys are watching from. Okay, now I'm gonna go to Canva and create a simple logo and banner. Let's start with creating a custom-sized template. And this is for the logo. So we need the height and width both to be 2000 pixels. Now I'm gonna go to these elements and select these shapes. And we can select the square shape and add it like this as the background. And let's make it bigger so that it can fit the area. Now I'm gonna select the red color as the theme color of this channel. I would recommend you to do the same. But I mean, don't use red color only. Be unique and select a eye-catching color. Now, I'm gonna search for a brain in Elements because I need to find a cool brain graphic, but it has to be free. Those elements that have this small crown icon are not free. You need to have a paid version to use those, so just avoid those. I think this graphic is cool. Let's use it. Now, let's add a text layer. And I'm gonna rename it to the channel name. And I think it looks good here. But let's try something different. I'm gonna go to these effects, and let's try this curved text effect. And I think if we place the text layer above the graphic, it would look more unique and good. I think it's perfect. Let's download this and move on to banner image. When creating the banner image, make sure to create it so that it's visible for all devices. So the dimensions are gonna be 2,560 pixels wide and 1,440 pixels high. It's gonna be the same as before. I'm just gonna add a shape layer and make it red like our logo. I'm gonna add the same graphic that we used for our logo. And let's add a slogan like this to the banner. And what you need to do is make this little bit smaller and place it in the middle so that it's gonna be visible in every device, such as a phone, TV, or computer. So this is good. So far, we haven't spent a single dollar on this process. Now, let's start the content creation process, which you all have been waiting for. The first challenge you are gonna face is to find viral video ideas. To be honest, we don't have to reinvent the wheel. We can just check our competitors and see which sort of topics are going viral. So what we need to do is make similar topics. It's just simple. And don't get me wrong here, it's not like we are copying their videos. We're gonna make a completely different style of video. We just wanna see which topics are getting more attention. Now, if you check these 2 channels, you will understand what I just explained. The most popular video on this channel is this one, which is about how to lock in, and it has 3.8 million views. And this next channel, if we check their most popular video, it's about the same topic, but with a different approach. So yes, we don't have to be stressed and reinvent the wheel. With this method, we can just find the most viral video ideas. Based on that data, I decided to make a video about lock in like a villain in a training arc. I know this topic is fancy, but that's how your title should be. It should be unique and interesting like this. So let's make a script for this topic. I'm going to target this video to be around 6 minutes. Creating a good script is the key element to going viral. So what I did was I studied several viral videos from these competitors. What I understand was they all have the same structure. This structure is as follows. First, we need to start the video by comparing two separate things. In this example video, it's going to be one person who only thinks about doing stuff, and the other person is someone who locks in and actually gets things done. Then, we need to tell why it's good to be this second version. I'm going to call this part the power gap. Then, we're going to tell them a story about our personal experience. It can be a made-up one, but it should be related to the video topic. I'm going to call this part the pain trigger. Then we tell them how to apply that story to the actual topic or the problem. Then we end the video by making the audience feel better and energetic. This last part is called the execution framework. Based on this data and formula, I created these detailed prompts, which you can use to generate a video script for any topic. But wait, I don't recommend using a 100% AI-generated script because the YouTube algorithm doesn't like that, and it rewards more authentic content. So what you need to do is use this prompt to generate your script, and then you need to change it at least 70%. Use the AI-generated script as the base and convert it into your own words. So far, we haven't spent a single dollar on this process. So let's move on to the next step, which is converting the script into an AI voice. The best and free tool that you can use for this part is DupDub AI. It has a 3-day free trial, so you can just start creating your videos right now with this tool. That's what we are going to do. This tool has several features, such as AI avatars, AI transcription, and more. At this moment, let's go to this AI voiceover feature. The first thing we must do is to select a perfect voice for this video. Now, this tool can help you to do that. If you go to the More Voiceovers option, we can filter these voices based on your need. Let's go with English with an American accent, and it's better to use a male voice for this niche. Now, I'm gonna go with the motivation niche from these categories. Now that we have filtered these voices to meet our needs, we can just check these voices one by one and select the perfect version for this video.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
Many years ago lived an emperor who thought so much of new clothes that he spent all his money in order to obtain them.
I don't think these two voices are good for this video. Let's check another one.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her
Okay, this is gonna work. Now we just need to paste our video script here and edit and emphasize it using these options. If you want to add pauses or any sound effects, you can do that here. After everything is set, click this icon to generate the voice.
Picture this. You wake up and immediately grab your phone. Notifications, reels, messages, you scroll, you research, you plan. 3 hours gone. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. You always start tomorrow.
Okay, that's how easy this process is. Link to this AI tool is in the description. Now, let's go to the final step, which is creating the visuals. There are a few methods that you can use to make these stick figure animations. The easiest method is with Canva, but the problem is that most of these stick figures are not free in Canva. So I'm going to show you a way to make these stick figures for free. Then you can import them into Canva and use them. We are going to use the Nano Banana free version for this process. You just need to copy this prompt I created. Then in this part, explain the scene you want. For example, let's say a man looking at his phone in bed. Let's check the results. This is perfect. So just like this, you can create stick figure illustrations for any of your scenes. I'm gonna use the illustrations from Canva because it's easy for me. But if you don't want to pay for it, use the method I showed you to generate those for free. Let's select this landscape video option and start the editing process. The first thing you need to do is go to the uploads and upload the voiceover files and other illustrations you created. Then I'm just going to add a shape layer as the background image and make it bigger so that it can fit the surface area. You can either use black or white as the background. If you are using black, make sure to use white color stick figure animations. For this example, I'm gonna go with white color. Then, let's go to Uploads again and add the voiceover file to the timeline. Okay, let's animate our first scene. In order to split the screen, I'm gonna add this line in the middle. As the first image, I'm gonna use this stick figure of a man waking up in the morning. Let's keep it on this side. And when the duration of that image ends, I'm gonna add a new image where this man is looking at his phone. I'm adding all these based on my video script. You need to edit the duration of the images using the timeline. Then I'm gonna go to this text feature, and we can add some text layers like this. I'm gonna rename it according to my script, and I need 2 more text layers, so let's duplicate these. And just like this, you need to add suitable stick figure animations and necessary graphics. This is what my timeline looks like after I edited the first 30 seconds. So just like this, you can easily complete your video. It's gonna take around 1 hour to do this because the video is gonna be around 6 minutes. Don't get bored because this is the easiest niche you can do. After that, you can add cinematic background music to your video. I normally use background music from the YouTube audio library. Let me show you the final result I got.
Picture this. You wake up and immediately grab your phone. Notifications, reels, messages, you scroll, you research, you plan. 3 hours gone. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. You always start tomorrow. Now imagine this, same person, same face, but different energy. The alarm rings, they're up. No negotiation, no dramatic music, no announcement. Just movement, cold water on the face, shoes on, door shut, world muted. The left side version talks about goals. Right side version trains like they're in a villain arc.
So yes, that's all for today. I really hope you guys learned some valuable things about this free and easy niche. And I wish you the best of luck.